Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat. I am Vishal Korodia, mathematics teacher. Let's we begin with Standard 9, chapter number 12, Heron's formula. In this chapter, we have to learn about one new formula which is given by the mathematician named Heron. He gives the different type of formulas to solve the area problem of the triangle. Okay, so in this chapter we have to learn about the Heron's formula. So let's we start with the introduction of this chapter. You have studied in earlier classes about figure of the different shapes and such as square, rectangle, triangle and quadrilateral. Okay, so these are the different shapes. You have also calculated perimeters and the areas of the sum of the figure like rectangle, square, etc. For instance, you can find the area of the perimeter and the perimeter of the floor of your classroom. So finding the perimeter of the triangle of your floor or etc. with the help of the perimeters. Okay, let us take a walk around the floor along the its sides. Once the distance we walked it is its perimeters, the size of the floor of the room is the its area. So if we want to find the perimeter of the floor, we have to walk it is it perimeter. Okay, so distance we cover around that room, that is a perimeter. If your classroom is rectangle with 10 meter and width is 8 meter, its perimeter would be 2 into multiplication with 10 plus 8m is equal to 36 meter. We all know about the perimeter. It is the length of the border of that rectangle. Okay, so if we multiply that length with each other and found out that is a perimeter, so it would be the perimeter unit of the measurement of the length or breadth is taken as a meter. Okay, so that is a meter. Unit of measure for the area of the any plane, that is in the meter square or square centimeter of the centimeter square. Okay, so area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base upon height. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base in multiplication with height. Okay, so we see that when the triangle is right angle, we can directly apply the formula by using two sides containing the right angle. If we know that triangle is rectangle, so in right angle, if AC and BC are the perpendicular sides of the each other, so the base of this triangle is BC and height of that triangle, that is AC. By using this formula, area of triangle 1/2 base multiplication with height, we can find the area of the triangle. Okay, so let's find the area of triangle ABC is given by 1/2 base multiplication with height. So 1/2 base is 12 and height is 5. So 1/2 base multiplication with height, 12 multiplication with 5 divided by 2, that is a 30 centimeter. Note that we could also take 5 centimeter as the base and 12 centimeter as the height. So here this is the basic formula which we conventionally use in the previous standards. So in this chapter we have to learn about one new formula that is known as the Heron's formula, and this method is in your homework. So try this method in your homework. Triangle PQM. In this triangle PQM, PQ is 10 centimeter and QM is 5 centimeter. Let's we begin with area of a triangle by using Heron's formula. Heron was born in 10th AD, possibly in Alexandria in Egypt. He worked in applied mathematics. His works on mathematics and physical subjects are so numerous and varied that he is considered to be encyclopedia variator. Means he is one of the best magician not mathematician, who solve the various problem of mathematics by using the applied mathematics. So this formula is given by the Heron to find out the area of the triangle. Let's we see that formula. Area of triangle is equal to under root s in first bracket s minus a, in second bracket s minus b, and in third bracket s minus c. Here s is semi perimeter, a is the half of perimeter of the triangle is a plus b plus c divided by 2. That is the half of perimeter of the triangle. So a plus b plus c by 2, that is the perimeter of the triangle, and area of triangle, that is s in the bracket s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c in the under root. So let's we solve one example. If one triangle having the side a is equal to 40, b is equal to 24, and c is equal to 32, then first of all we have to find this small s is known as the half perimeter of the triangle. Okay, so first of all we have to find the half perimeter of the triangle, that is s, that is 40 plus 24 plus 32 divided by 2, which is 48. Okay, then after we have to find s minus a. S is the half perimeter which we found out already, and put the value of 40 as a. So s minus a, that is a 8. Then after put the value of s minus b, that is 48 minus 24, that is a 24. Then after s minus c, that is equal to 48 minus 32 into m, that is a 16. In this way you can find the s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c if you know the value of the a, b, and c. Let's we learn one new thing. Here the length of the side a is equal to 40 is the opposite side of the angle a. B is equal to 24, it is the opposite side of the angle b. And c is equal to 32, that is opposite side of the angle c. So here small a is equal to opposite side of the angle a, small b, that is the opposite side of the angle b, and small c, that is the opposite side of the angle c. Okay, so we have to take sides by using this. Therefore area of the park ABC is, we have to put the value of this in this formula of the Heron. So here s is equal to 48 S minus 8 is S minus A, that is a 8. S minus B is a 24. S minus C is a 60. So 384 is the 384 is the area of the triangle ABC. Okay, thank you.